WordPress is a content management system. It is an open source CMS, means it is open for everyone to use. You can build a website without coding. WordPress offers a variety of templates, themes, and plugins with features for customization of website. WordPress provides easy features to manage components or contents using free themes and free plugins. It is very easy to learn WordPress for making websites and blog websites because no coding is required to make a website in WP. WordPress is available in two modes. One, install it on localhost, and the other is you have to buy domain and hosting for live website.